What is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is now the result of 2 months doing workout at home. As you can see, may mga cuts sa katawan ko, pero kulang ako sa muscle mass. So, I am thinking if I will be going to the gym to have a better physique. If you want to see more progress, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thank you!